Xiaomi is bringing the Mix Flip to international audience, with Bulgaria being one of just 5 launch markets in Central and Eastern Europe. This news coincides with Xiaomi's Mi Summer Tour, and Summer Mi is with Xiaomi promotional campaigns. While it's no surprise the device is coming to Europe and parts of Asia, the price is certainly heartbreaking. Nikolai Nankov, head of Xiaomi's Bulgarian operations, shared the availability details at a recent press event. The Mix Flip will be available in limited quantities for Bulgarian Lev 2600, roughly $1,400 USD. That's quite a leap compared to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, which goes for about $1,099 on Amazon, and Xiaomi's domestic price in China of 6,000 yuan, or about 758 euros. Here are some of its features. The Xiaomi Mix Flip features a sleek dual display design. The external 4-inch display is curved for easy use and supports full app functionality. Inside, the foldable screen extends to 6.86 inches with a 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and a dazzling 3000 nits peak brightness, plus HDR support. Both screens are protected by ultra-thin glass, with the foldable panel certified to withstand 500,000 folds. On the cover screen, you'll notice a pair of Leica-branded cameras in a vertical layout. These include a 50-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel floating telephoto lens. This telephoto lens dynamically adjusts its internal elements to optimize image quality across various shooting distances, unlike a regular telephoto lens, which maintains a fixed focal length. Xiaomi claims the cameras offer various photography modes, including hover mode, to help take stable shots without a tripod. Under the hood, the Mix Flip is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance. It boasts a 4,780 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging, so you can power up quickly. Unlike the Z Flip 6 and Razer Plus 2024, the Mix Flip lacks an official IP rating for water and dust resistance. Xiaomi is currently the second largest smartphone brand in Bulgaria, trailing Samsung and ahead of Apple, with a market share of about 25%. While we don't have an exact European launch date yet, it's expected sometime after August 15th. With almost all the details revealed, we probably won't have to wait much longer to see the Mix Flip in action. Thanks for hanging out and checking out the latest from Xiaomi with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.